They don't like that. Yan ang pinagpakamatayin mo.
Ano ba yun?
Yan.
Yes, because single.
Yeah, you're so sweet. You sent fresh roses, right? Yeah, I sent them from the bags.
But you know, the Ferrero chocolate candies, I save it for kamote. She ate it, Cindy.
Because I'm hungry. And there's no food here.
Nothing to eat.
There's nothing to eat. And Cladel is not here.
Never to touch the chocolate.
She's in the market. I'm hungry.
May chocolate ba? Did you bring some chocolates?
Ano lang, hindi naman sa kanila ano ang chocolate, gawa ng Florida. Bibili, dito na lang bibili. Bihira, pag minsan bibili nilang ano, bibili sa duty free, ganun.
Ayan na, Yossi.
You have to give me your address and I'll send you, but don't tell her.
It's our secret. Hindi, chocolate.
Ferrero! Ferrero.
I just eat one piece.
One piece. Hello.
One lang yung kinain ko.
Then after that,
Every time, one at a time.
Every time I come here, at least. I thought that chocolate is new because it's been a long time in the fridge. Right? So I thought she's stuck it.
but Jenny,
She is like just Tita Clara.
Yeah.
And
the
yeah,
time that they
I told her, it's from my brother. I didn't do it for him.
but Kamote is not coming. Di ba ako narating lang ni Kamote?
Oh. And save it from him, for him.
Ikaw na.
Galagay natin sa ano ha, sa Friendster mo.
Ano ba yun? Ayan ba yung lighter ni Kuya? Kamusta na kaya yung ano mo?
Dating ba sa Ate Lala?
Wala siguro.
Yung sa ano, sa bilo ko yun.
Wala siguro. Kasi sana nag-test na si Ate Lisa.
Ganun sasabihin mo. Sinabi mo mag-text kapag ano.
Hindi, syempre, ano, syempre, gagawin natin. Yung papatext na sa bahay. Yung papatext na si Inay. Ano naman siguro daw.
Ba't ka naman nabalis doon sa pinapasukan mo na naman?
Ay, hindi. Ano lang ako doon? Isang linggo lang talaga ako.
Sa pinapasukan niyo dati?
Isang linggo lang talaga ako doon tangi. Tambay nga lang. Sayang nga eh. Sabi ko pa naman kayo, hindi na kamili na naman sa doktor pagkain. Goro kayo dito.
Kaya lang nakahanap ka agad naman iba.
Sayang eh. Sayang eh. Sana ilapay. Lapesala kami eh. Alam mo naman ang mga lola mo, siyang siya ng paglapang doon. 6
He works for a housekeeper for 1 week. But in the house, nothing to eat. The owner
They
buys
don't give me money. So I just eat inside the fridge, right?
groceries and inside the so many foods, but then she fired. And then nothing to eat. Just to take care of the kids. Well, no, because Cameron because the companion. So
Oh, shit! Ampun lang siya?
friend of her sister,
Ampun lang siya?
the owner of the house, just to take care of the kids because nothing to look after the kids. So for the meantime, she hired for only 1 week. But then For that 1 week, she stayed there, no food. So hungry.
Hindi.
Grocery, may some buy and buy, but then after that,
All the members of the family is in Canada. They were going to Canada.
big house, nothing to eat.
It's a
Wow,
big
sad.
house.
So sad. So, the
I'm
stuff
with,
is,
I'm with a 12-year-old kid and 36-year-old guy who is crazy. No, addict. He's taking drugs. But he's nice with me.